Trump's mining company is now on the Nasdaq and they hold a decent bit of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at today's daily Bitcoin update. A bit of a later one today, guys. I'm not going to lie, I had a bunch of stuff to deal with, but here, once again, let's take a look at our favorite coin, Bitcoin. Now, it looks like Bitcoin did actually hit 112K today, which is pretty bullish. September is historically a terrible month for Bitcoin. Usually, I believe it's actually the worst performing month, which is terrible because it's my favorite month because it's my birthday. But hey, it is what it is. So we could see, guys, in the next couple of days, we are going to see the weekly chart go into red unless we see a pop off in Bitcoin. Now, again, we've talked about this before. There is still a liquidation hunt at 125K. For those that don't know what that is, AI is your best friend. 1 month, guys, the 1 month chart is actually down 3% as well. So that also sucks. But overall, guys, I generally do think there's going to be a decent amount of bullish momentum here with Bitcoin. I think the whole historically September is bearish is not going to really matter. I could be wrong, but we're going to have to wait and find out. Now, some bullish things. Someone just bought $77 million worth of Bitcoin. It's actually pretty interesting with from Galaxy Digital. Yeah, I mean, hey, that's pretty interesting. Wonder what exactly that was for or who that is or, who knows. And a bit of a thought experiment for you guys. Do you think that Bitcoin will hit $1 million by 2030? Now, is that doable? I definitely do think it is doable. Obviously, that leaves us with, give or take 4 years and like a couple months here. But, or I guess no, 2026, 2027, 2028. I guess maybe 5 years if you include 20. This is by 20. Anyways, regardless, I think it's possible, but we're gonna have to have, financial collapse with fiat currency, and we're going to have more printing money, lower interest rates, and realistically, I think it could happen. Is it going to happen? I don't know. But again, it could, right? I think it's unlikely, but I'm not saying it's impossible, okay? Some more bullish news, guys. Bitcoin Hyper, which is actually the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, has now raised over $13.75 million, which is very, very bullish as well. For those that don't already have a bag of this, guys, definitely go ahead and check it out. It's one of those projects, guys, that if you like Bitcoin, you're definitely going to love this one. I will leave a link down below. I know a lot of Bitcoin whales are aping into this as well. I know Bitcoin World that recently bought I want to say around 200K of this as well. So yeah, a lot of people are loading up. Obviously, it is a bit more riskier, but hey, if you have enough Bitcoin and you want to take a risk, might be the place for you. So Bitcoin ETFs bought $332 million worth of Bitcoin yesterday. This is also very bullish as well. Obviously, guys, more Americans, more companies, countries, and whatever are going to be buying Bitcoin. So again, very cool. Some non-Bitcoin related news I want to throw in here. Gold actually broke an all-time high of 3,565 today, which is pretty interesting. So maybe this is a bullish indicator of markets as a whole. We're going to have to wait and find out. Now, the bullish news, guys, Trump's mining company, American Bitcoin, debuts on the Nasdaq today, and they hold more than $260 million worth of Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. And again, guys, more Bitcoin on balance sheets means less on exchanges, which means less Bitcoin that is going to be circulating, which means more scarcity and more demand for Bitcoin with a reduced circulating supply. Now, finally, the Winklevoss brothers, I have no idea who these guys are, but they are backing a new Bitcoin treasury firm called Treasury BV, and they've already bought 1,000 Bitcoin. Once again, guys, more bullish Bitcoin news. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.